Hi, I'm Emmett and this is how to set up your Fargo DTC1500 ID card printer. In the box you'll get a power supply, the power cord, a USB cable and of course the printer itself. The first thing we're going to do is connect the power supply, plug it in and turn the printer on. To insert the printer ribbon, the first thing we need to do is take out the printer ribbon drawer. Now what we need to do is pull up the cleaning roller tray, just like that. And you'll see inside that there is an orange part here and a blue part here. And obviously an orange part of the ribbon and a blue part of the ribbon. And this essentially tells you where you're going to be placing it inside of the cartridge. So if you pull the ribbon apart like this, and then pop it into place, and then just push it down until you hear a click. I do the same with the blue part, just pop that down until you hear the click, and then we need to pop the cleaning tray back down like that. The final thing we need to do is place the cleaning roller inside of the tray. And now all we need to do is place the printer ribbon drawer back inside of the printer. Now what we need to do is insert some cards into the input hopper. So open it up like this, pull down the lever, just pop them into place, and then close the input hopper. Now what we need to do is install the driver. Download the printer driver to your desktop. If user access control appears, click yes. Wait while the installer wizard verifies the content of the setup package. Select the installation language and click next. Click next. Click accept and then next. We're installing with the USB cable, so we'll click next. Click next to install. And when prompted by the plug and play box, connect the USB cable to the printer. When you see that it's been installed successfully, click finish. The setup process is now complete and you should be up and running. If you didn't run into any difficulties though, our technical support team will be more than happy to help you out. You can give them a call on 0161 475 5346 or you can email them support@digitalid.co.uk. Thanks for watching. So an orange